This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Junior Akpan. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom and a study or 5-bed, optional. Just minutes from Highland Park, the Design District, Love Field, the Medical District, Oaklawn, downtown Dallas, or Uptown. The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. Soft close cabinets, custom finishes, gorgeous appliances and tons of storage. Perfect private fenced yard for outdoor play. TAR application, $45 application fee per adult. Tenant or agent to verify all information above for accuracy. For more information, review the details below or contact Junior Akpan at 888-668-8283.